A finite-capacity single-server queuing system with encouraged arrivals and reverse reneging with controllable arrival rates. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In this paper, a finite-capacity queuing model encouraged arrivals and reverse reneging customers with controllable arrival rates are considered. The term encouraged arrivals emerged from the situation that a system experiences after the release of offers and discounts by firms. Encouraged arrivals are a new addition to existing customer behavior in queuing theory. The steady-state solutions of system size are derived explicitly. The analytical results are numerically illustrated and relevant conclusions are presented. This paper explores a special type of waiting line, queue, system often found in computer networks or service centers. In this system, people or tasks arrive to get a service, but some may leave the line if they wait too long. However, there's a chance these impatient customers can be persuaded to stay. These are called retained customers. After receiving service, some may even come back for more help. This behavior helps model real-life situations where customers or processes need repeated attention. The system also uses a method called encouraged arrivals, which means more people are likely to join the line when the system is running well and busy, like during peak times. But when the line gets too long, the arrival rate is reduced to avoid overloading the system. Once the queue size drops below a certain level, the arrival rate increases again. Both the time people are willing to wait and the time it takes to serve them follow predictable patterns. This model is useful for understanding how to control customer or task flow in systems like computer servers or help desks, where managing delays and keeping people engaged is important for smooth operations. This study looks at how computer systems that handle jobs in groups, called batch processing, perform under different conditions. We found that when the system processes jobs faster, higher service rate, the time jobs spend waiting and being processed goes down. Also, if fewer jobs are sent to the system, lower arrival rate, the waiting and processing times also decrease. This means that in systems where jobs are submitted in batches, encouraging job submissions during busy periods, while keeping the system under control, can help maintain better performance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.